Good morning, chat. It is currently 8:17. I got out one lash, and I need to edit this video. For some reason, I done deleted everything off my computer and paid for the extra storage, and it's still not working. I'm getting so irritated. But I'm gonna figure it out for y'all, and I'm gonna have a vlog out by today. So I don't know what else we doing today, to be honest. I need to look at my calendar. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Good morning, chat. We're back with another story time. And as you can see, the tea is piping hot. Yes, thank you. Okay, so I know I started the video in the house like I was going to do a story time, but then I changed my mind and we got some errands to run. So we're going to go to the store and we got to get some stuff. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. At the Dollar Tree, getting wrapping paper. That's fun, kinda. I'm trying to find some stuff because we're doing this little Christmas game. Y'all know the little Christmas game with the little stuff. Y'all throw it on the table. But I'm trying to find some stuff for the game. So we're going to see what we find. Find nothing today, but we finna check out and go to the next store to get the next stuff because I need a flash drive and we have a potential situation. I'm not gonna tell y'all the situation, but it's one. It's a real one. It's a real one, and and I could be embarrassed. You don't want me to start screaming, do you? No. How can I love somebody else? And I know I just can't do this now. Own it, own it, own it. No, Jasmine. They don't know nothing about that. Okay, we at Walmart. We've been here for 5 minutes and we're not gonna get over. Okay, my baby would love this. Bye. He already got a gift. He got a whole trampoline. He's getting a whole new room. He don't need nothing else. I'm swimming on a photograph. What did we come here for? My heart racing. Oh, I need a flash drive first. Let's get that first. Okay. Let's go. Two TB. This is a toughie. Let's go with this one. I need that one though. 2 TV? No, sorry. I was just talking out loud. Would you be able to ring me up? Thanks. You're amazing. I love your hat.
Where your microphones at? We don't have microphones.
You so funny, Berta.
Listen, you made my day.
Oh, thank you. Made my day. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good shift. Let's looking on a photograph. Make me laugh. Y'all see my receipt? It's going in my pocket. Had to show the camera. We need to get out these people's establishment. We on the wrong side of the stove. I can smell it from back there.
No, let's smell this. Holiday, they got the green and red days. I'm doing too much.
Yeah. It got a smell.
It smells a little cool.
Let's see what the green one.
Right.
It's minty.
It say mint.
Okay. That smell like aftershave. What you want? What you gonna do? There's too many people in here. I'm getting overstimulated. Thank you. We just got some funny scenes, but we did it because the one time I hired a cameraman, she don't even get the footage. So we don't got the footage. Nah. You don't hire somebody for a job you can do yourself. River. I was blown by the. I was bending over, Papa. I like how you bleeped yourself out. Less work for me. This is so embarrassing. Like, everybody don't gotta know. I need some water. She not listening to me, so I'm just gonna go find it. Where? Huh? I'm going to go find some water. Jeez Louise. Yeah. Back, period. I know they hate to see me coming. Somebody suggested I do a mukbang, so this is what I got. A Flying Dutchman. Agua. ¿Quieres agua? Is that Spanish? Okay. Well, so we got some haters in the back. Got chilies. Pickles. Spread. This is hard. How do people talk and eat?
They shoot first. Nah, she won't tell you but I put her on the onion wraps.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Okay. I done had onion, lettuce. I'm not. I heard they make that though.
No tomato, please.
I just feel like if you don't live in California or Vegas, I feel sorry for you. It's not the same. It's alright. You find a new spot.
Should take shower.
Fry. 4 times in 1 week though?
Yeah. Sorry, how did that?
I said the same thing. I should was never buzzing that hard. I mean, I guess it is, but like, it's really not though.
She got to pick up pepper, change the sauce, all of them. I gotta do it.
Again, I got the best order. They didn't give us no paper towels. hospital tissues out this bitch. Well, that's all I got for y'all for today. Day 17. I'll see y'all for day 18.